guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new crochet braid video. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys today. It's been about a month or so since I've thrown one of these up for y'all. So today we are going to be reviewing Freetress 3X Joyfull Curl 20 inch in the color 1B. Now, color 1B, I have 2 packs of 1B in my head and 1 pack of number 2, just because they didn't have enough of the 1B, so I went ahead and just mixed it in. You honestly cannot tell. I really just put it in the back area, and then by the way the hair just hangs over it, you really can't tell a difference. You may be able to see it a little bit in the front if you really look, but honestly, it all blends together, no big deal. So great for that. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the color. The hair is 20 inches long, so let me show you guys the length. Comes down to here. You guys can see it in the back. So it is a pretty long hair. The weight to it, it's not too heavy. I have 3 whole packs. In my head, I did not split this hair except for a few around the perimeter, and just like if the piece was really chunky, then I went ahead and split it, but otherwise I did not. So basically I didn't split the hair because most of this hair has not been split. That's why the curl pattern still looks really good. For the pieces of the hair that I split, I went ahead and used this Quenching Coconut Curls Moisture Mousse by OGX. I pretty much always use this on my crochet braids if I'm going to use a mousse. I haven't used a mousse in a very long time on my crochet braid hair, but this one, it spurt pretty easily and didn't lose its curl pattern, but it just gets like really frizzy. And so for those, I just went ahead and used this mousse and tamed it. And so it still has like a little bit of frizz here at the top, but like I really like it. Like I'm rocking with it. I think it looks pretty like good and natural. If these like type of flyaways bother you, just don't split the hair. So know that you may need more than 3 packs. So I have 14 braids. I have a large head. I have a lot of hair. So I had to be able to cover all 14 braids, and I did use the 2-finger rule. So literally 2 fingers, maybe like 2.5 for some of them in between the pieces so that you don't overload your head with hair. So 3 packs is enough. If you want to buy a 4th just in case, you can, but I really think you'll be good with 3 packs. If you're running short, you can probably just go in the back and just kind of pull out some to rearrange it, but I would definitely say 3, maybe even 2 packs if you have a smaller head or you don't do as many cornrows, you won't have to cover as much. So yeah, I'd say go ahead and get 3 packs of this. Your mousse, you'll need that. Some type of edge control if you want to do your edges. This is the Edge Factor. Love this edge control. It's the only one I use. And then this is my beater that you're going to see in the video. I do use this instead of a latch hook for my crochet. You guys will see me use it. If you want to see it in real time, I will link a video of me installing a crochet where I teach you how to use this little beater like step by step, even though it's very easy, and I'm sure you'll catch on when you watch this clip of me installing this. But this is a tool that you're going to see being used, and I think that is pretty much it. So let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. hair super easy. This hair did not take me long to install at all. You guys may have noticed my cornrows look a little bit old. That's because I've had them in for about a week. At this point, I decided to go ahead and just install this crochet. So it took me, I would no more than 2 hours, but honestly probably less than that. And you guys, I'm filming as well, so that takes up extra time. So definitely not a long install at all, super quick. Love this for vacation, even though I'm not about to go on vacation, but such a cute vacay hairstyle. And it is, I will say, warm. It's a lot of hair, so getting to the cooler months, fall, winter, it's really, really great to do this type of hair during this time, even though this is such a vibe for summer just because of the curl pattern, but definitely more of winter hair because like I said, it is warm. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. I absolutely love it. Let me know if you guys want a like 2-week update on this hair. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it in. We'll see. But if you guys do want an update, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and as well check the description box for a link to some different websites that have this hair, as well as the link to my loungewear store, Ajay Official, so you guys can shop all of our new fall arrivals. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.